Have you ever wanted to invest but felt overwhelmed by the complexities of traditional brokerage firms? You're not alone. The world of investing can seem intimidating, but what if I told you there's a platform that simplifies the entire process? Today, we're going to walk you through how to set up an M1 Finance account, step by step, and show you just how easy it can be to start building your wealth. Moneybag. M1 Finance isn't your average brokerage. It's a platform designed for long-term investors who want to automate their investing. With features like M1 Pies, you can easily create a diversified portfolio of stocks and ETFs and let M1 automatically manage it for you. This is a game changer for anyone who wants to invest without the constant day-to-day management. Step 1. Sign up and verify your identity. First things first, you'll need to sign up for an account. Go to the M1 Finance website or download their app. You'll be asked to provide your basic personal information, including your name, email, and phone number. M1 Finance is a regulated financial institution, so they need to verify your identity. You'll be prompted to enter your social security number and a government-issued ID. This is a standard security procedure to protect your account and comply with financial regulations. Don't worry, all your information is encrypted and kept secure. Step 2. Connect your bank account. Once your identity is verified, you'll need to link a bank account to fund your investments. M1 Finance uses a secure service called Plaid to connect to your bank. Simply search for your bank and log in using your online banking credentials. This process is quick and completely safe. By linking your bank account, you can easily transfer money to and from your M1 Finance account. Step 3. Create your M1 Pie. This is where the magic happens. M1 Finance's signature feature is the M1 Pie, which is essentially a visual representation of your investment portfolio. You can choose from hundreds of expert-built pies or create your own custom pie from scratch. For example, you can create a pie that's 50% made up of the S&P 500 ETF and 50% of a technology ETF. You can add individual stocks and ETFs to your pie, setting the percentage you want each one to represent. As you invest more money, M1 Finance will automatically buy assets to keep your pie balanced according to your specifications. Step 4. Fund your account. Now that your pie is set up, it's time to fund your account. You can make a one-time deposit or set up a recurring, automated transfer. The minimum to start investing is just $100. Once the funds land in your account, M1 Finance will automatically invest them according to the allocations you set in your pie. This is the beauty of M1. It automates the entire investment process, helping you build wealth consistently over time without having to manually place trades. So, there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can set up an M1 Finance account and begin your investment journey. It's a platform that takes the guesswork out of investing, allowing you to focus on your long-term financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.